This video will show you how to properly use your 6000 Pro hide-a-hose system. Step 1. With the hose lock pushed all the way in, pull out the amount of hose you need, and then pull the lock out to keep the hose at the desired length. This assures you have maximum suction and the hose will not retract while you are vacuuming. Step 2. Insert the handle into the adjustable wand and turn the handle until you feel the button click into the lock position. To remove the handle from the wand, press the circle to release the button lock. The hose connects directly to the handle. Step 3. Using the black toggle switch, turn the system on and begin vacuuming. When you're finished, disconnect the handle from the hose and push the lock in. While the system is still running, cover the end of the hose with your hand, and your central vac system retracts the hose back into the valve. You can adjust the speed of retraction by taking your hand on and off the hose. Make sure the hose retracts all the way or the door will not close. You can use the toggle switch to turn the system off, or simply close the door and the system will turn off on its own. Never pull the hose out with the lock pulled out. This will damage the valve. Finally, you can turn the system on and off from the switch at the valve. You can also turn the system on and off from the handle if you have an RF handle. However, it is important to understand that if you turn the system on with the switch, it must also be turned off with the switch. Likewise, if you turn it on with the RF handle, you must also turn it off with the RF handle.